Icy winds sweep the valley as minimum temperature falls several degrees below freezing point. Parts of Dal Lake and other water bodies have frozen. And amid freezing cold, people face power outages, and freezing water taps make things difficult for them. After extreme cold wave, Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has cancelled his scheduled work in Jammu and is camping in Srinagar to monitor functioning of power and other essential supplies. The announcement has a quick impact. Power Department has augmented over 1,800 MGs and largely addressed power crisis. In Srinagar, minimum temperature fell -8.5, the coldest in last 50 years on Saturday. But it hasn't dampened the festive season spirits. Himachal Pradesh's capital Shimla too witnessed the second light snowfall of the season, bringing cheer to tourists, locals and farmers. Higher reaches of the state also saw snowfall.
दिसंबर महीने में जो ये बर्फबारी हुई है, इस बर्फबारी ने हम किसानों बागवानों के चेहरे पे जो है खुशी की लहर ला दी है। हम जो बर्फ क्रिसमस या न्यू ईयर के लिए होती थी, वो बर्फ जो है फरवरी और मार्च में निकल गई थी, यानी मौसम जो है एक महीने आगे शिफ्ट हो गया था। इस वर्ष ये बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि कुछ दिन पहले भी थोड़ी सी बर्फ की कुछ फाहे गिरे या कुछ जगह थोड़ी सी 2-4 इंच बर्फ गिरी, उसका इतना फायदा नहीं हो पाया। लेकिन अभी बर्फ जो है, खासकर ये जो शुरुआत हुई है, ये एक बहुत बड़ी उम्मीद लेके आई है।
Meanwhile, intense cold wave persisted in the lower hills of the state, with Una, Hamirpur, Chamba and Mandi experiencing cold wave conditions. The local Met Department had issued an orange alert for the region. Uttarakhand too is experiencing intense cold. Waterfalls in Chamoli were frozen over and Dehradun also shivered as temperatures plummeted. Delhi too witnessed spells of winter rain.
Delhi is facing a double whammy of a cold wave as well as toxic air, with the minimum temperature falling as low as 8 degrees Celsius as of now, and the air quality index rising up to dangerously close to the 500 mark in the very severe category, remaining only above 400 in the past couple of days. The particulate PM 2.5 matter in the air right now is a major contributive factor to the pollution in Delhi at this point, and this is also what is causing this dense layer of smog in the atmosphere in Delhi. What is the solution to this? This cannot be a seasonal and perennial problem every year that Delhi goes through.
With Nazir and Tanushka for NDTV.